We need some lights. We definitely need some lights, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. The keys, where did I put the keys though? Keys, where did I put keys? You know you have a ton of cars when you just have like a little basket just full of supercar keys. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the key to Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. We're going to turn the ignition on. Are you kidding me? We are driving a 1500 horsepower Bugatti Chiron. Oh my goodness. I hope my insurance agent isn't watching today's video. Put on the brake, on the throttle, hit it! I nearly just took a camera in the face, but it's worth it. I've done a lot of dumb things. This could take the cake as one of the dumber things I've done. Welcome! Hit it. You guys could be here to feel this power! I lost traction and then I slowly started sliding down the hill into this ditch. This is the new Bumble profile picture. Forget the supercars and hypercars. Check that out. This is a cold startup on the Vision Gran Turismo. This is a cold startup on a 2017 Koenigsegg Agera RS1. Zane is making his intro to the channel. There he goes! Clayton's much better at this than me, so keep that in mind. Pizza! We got the pizza. We're good. One up. Oh yeah. I'm ready.
James, you're like model status right now.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying my best. Okay, go. Oh jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. If I could go back in time and tell my 16-year-old self that today was happening, I don't think I would have ever believed. And I don't even believe it today. This is such a dream come true. We're just waiting for my Uber to Salt Lake City International Airport, and we're flying off to Orange County, California. Boys, we're achieving dreams today. This is so crazy. What a good day. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Here we go, here we go. On the 5th of November, 2018, ladies and gentlemen, the Lamborghini Aventador. That's right. I don't know how this has happened. We're jumping out over the Palm Jumeirah, which is the world's largest man-made island in the shape of a palm tree. It's 3:45. This has the potential to go poorly. It could go well though. This is take number 1. Nevertheless, the drone, it's time. I definitely crashed my drone. Well, the tree really got in the way. The tree was here, and the drone was here, and the drone, the whole thing was very, very chaotic. There were warning lights flashing like crazy.
It's been like 5 minutes and I can still hear them screaming.
What happened to Brayden? We lived! We made it! Brayden is gone! Brayden didn't make it! Matt invited me down here to Southern California because I'm a bit of a guru. I'm a bit of an expert when it comes to taking your driving test. And when I say that, I'm being incredibly sarcastic. So like 12 minutes ago on Google, I just made a Google search and said, tips to passing your driving test. There's part of me that's a little bit nervous right now that the whole engine could explode, or this is really as you might say, now we're rolling. If only you can score 5 more. Let's go! That's how you lose, ladies and gentlemen. Good game. Yeah. I don't know what to really say, but it's an Aventador, or is it Aventador? We still haven't figured that out.
The 50th anniversary of our...
At some point in my life, I would love to reach the point in which I've decided that, you know what, I need a Batmobile. Once I've reached that point in life, I know I've made it. There's a tumbleweed slowly crossing the road. Kind of a representation of my life right now. It's amazing when you think about it. Every single decision I have made up until this point has led me to this exact moment in time, where I'm standing on a road with my Audi R8 in a ditch. I want to test the top speed of the Aventador, trust me. It's not that I don't want to, I just know I shouldn't. And yes, I'm driving with no hands, but we can go anywhere we want. This is so sick. What? Welcome back to 1991. I don't know if you guys can hear the turbos, and now you can hear it pop, and she gets angry. Do you see those weather towers right there? And then do you see that plane? That plane like right there? That's my plane. We're headed there in 3, 2, 1. That flight was delayed, causing me to miss my connecting flight from Amsterdam back to Salt Lake City, Utah. I got redirected on a new flight from Amsterdam to John F. Kennedy Airport in New York City, New York. I rented a car, a Nissan Versa SV, low end torque, very good. Drove that from New York City to New Jersey. That's why we're in New Jersey. That building is tall. Those buildings are cool. Those buildings are pretty cool as well. We got some fountains. But look at this building. Like, check this out. Whoa. Whoa. OG subscribers, you might remember back in February, I filmed this Blue Cephas Centenario off in Maui. And welcome here to Maui in the beautiful state of Hawaii. One acceleration for that.
Draw a smiley face.
Draw a smiley face?
Go.
Go.
That's what I draw my mom.
That's right. No, are you kidding me? Oh, who invited this guy? We are bringing the purple back. But sometimes in life, always wear your ear protection. It's an Aventador, it's a V12. Looks so good. Sometimes in life, when everyone's telling you that you can't do it, go prove them wrong. Sometimes in life, when you want something really bad, how far are you willing to go? Are you willing to push your dead Audi TT around the streets of Beverly Hills to pursue a dream?